As we've discussed, organization is super important as you're building out your company playbook. Collections are about to level up your process organization. On my processes page, you'll see that I've already set up a bunch of collections like general and sales and marketing, customer experience, and so on. And inside each of those collections, I've placed the process subjects that relate to that specific area. These make it super easy for me and my people to see where these processes fit in my business. So how do we set up these collections? It's pretty easy. I'm going to scroll back up to the top of my page here, and on the top right, I'll click this little arrow and then click Add Collection. Now I can name my collection, and I can select any of the subjects that I want to appear in that collection. Now I don't have to add any subjects at this time. I can just create the collection and add the subjects later. And now I'll click Save. And that will bring me to my brand new collection where I can see what I've added. I can always edit this collection at the top left next to the title. I'll hit the little three-dot menu right there. By the way, process subjects can only exist in one collection at a time. Now if I go back to my processes page, I'll see that my new collection has been added right to the top of the list. Here are a few things I can do with my brand new collection. I can drag and drop to place it somewhere else in my collections list. I can hit the plus sign next to it to add a brand new subject to the collection. Or I can use the three-dot menu to pin it to my side navigation. That way I can have easy access to the processes I work with most. Pro tip: any process subjects that have not already been added to a collection will show up at the bottom of the list in the ungrouped collection. From here, you just have to move it up to the collection that you want it to be in, just like that.